All right, number 6. We have two lines, two chords intersecting inside the circle. I know when that happens that the arcs, okay, the inner angle, this angle here is going to be half of the average of that guy and that guy. And this angle right here will be the average of this guy and this guy. In other words, add them together and divide by 2. That's what we know. So let's see what we're given. It says arc GH is 100 degrees. So we have that arc. It says JFI, J to F to I. It says this angle right here is 64 degrees, which means up here is also 64. We could also figure out here, but we don't need it. So here's what I know. I know this is the average of the 100 and whatever this is, JI right here, which is what it's asking. So I know that 64 degrees, okay, the angle inside there, is the average of the 100 plus what I want, the arc JI. And again, average, you add two things together and divide by 2. So we know 100 plus whatever this is right here, divided by 2, gave us 64. So let's figure out, how do I now solve this? Well, just start by multiplying by 2. I have 128 is equal to 100 plus arc JI. Subtract 100 from both sides. You can easily see 28. So JI has to be 28 because 100 plus 28 is 128 divided by 2 gives me the average of those two arcs, which is 64. Okay, so that's all we do. That's a formula. The key is you just have to remember the formula. When they intersect inside the circle, it is simply going to be this arc plus this arc divided by 2, giving us these measurements. Same as this arc plus this arc divided by 2 will give us these two measurements.